Yo guys, I want to make a video and answer this question: is Thailand safe? Because it's normal to ask this question if you want to come to Thailand and you never been here before. It's absolutely normal. And I can only talk from experience, of course. I've been here for about 2 months. I'm gonna be here for about another month or so. And look, I'm outside and it's evening. Of course, maybe it's not a crazy area, but I don't know of any crazy areas in Thailand. It's not like I'm seeking for those. Thailand, in Pattaya specifically, it's not like I'm seeking for those, of course. But honestly, my experience has been very good. I feel like it's a very safe place to be, and I think there's nothing really to be worried about, as long as you have some common sense and don't intentionally go in some dodgy areas or dodgy places, or don't intentionally seek those. And also, you behave normally, like it's not like you're getting drunk and then starting a fight with everybody. Then most likely you will be fine. If you use the common sense that you use anywhere else, you'll be fine in Thailand. So Thailand, it is safe, and that is my perspective as a solo male traveler. I cannot speak for women, of course, but me as a male, I had absolutely zero issues being in Thailand. Like, not even issues like, of course I'm taking care, I'm cautious, but not even issues like pickpocketing or I think it's called petty crime. Nothing of that nature. So honestly, Thailand it feels like one of the safest place I've ever visited. So if you're wondering if Thailand is safe, yes, Thailand is safe. But use some common sense, just as you would in any other country or in any other place of the world.